Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to withdraw Alpha Network coin to Binance. To get started, open the Alpha Network app and go to the Profile tab. Tap on Keys Manager, then hit Generate Key. Once the key is generated, tap the plus icon to copy your authentication key. Now head over to Alpha Exchange. You can access it either from the app's home tab or by visiting their website. Tap on Sign in now, paste the authentication key and log in. Once you're logged in, go to the Sell tab on Alpha Exchange. Enter the amount of Alpha coins you want to sell, then tap Sell. After your order is filled, you'll see the USDT reflected in your balance. Now let's move that USDT to Binance. On Alpha Exchange, tap on Withdraw, enter the amount of USDT, and paste your Binance USDT wallet address. Make sure the address is on the BEP20 network to avoid any loss of funds. Hit Withdraw to complete the transfer. Finally, log into your Binance account, go to your wallet, then tap on Fiat in Spot and check your USDT balance. The funds should arrive in a few minutes. And that's how you withdraw Alpha Network coins to Binance. Always remember to double check your wallet address and selected network and make sure KYC is complete on both platforms to ensure a smooth transaction.